Okay, making this recording to illustrate a change we made so that users can color their plans other than using the predefined departments that come into plan on. So you can define and name departments what you want, and they'll show up in the space mappings. So I wanted to show this to you guys. We did this in development, and then if it looks okay, we'll roll it out to the main project. So basically what we did was we used something called tariff groups. So if you go under filters and tariff groups, I've created some tariff groups in here, and these are basically any names of departments that you want to display on your plan. And I created a couple for MTV and a few for Nick so that you guys can define those. To add a new one, if I wanted to add a new department, I'll just copy that. I just click the add button, pop in whatever name of department I want, and then pick a color for that department. And then that'll then show up on the list, and that's a group that we can assign space to. So let me move over to floors, and I'll go ahead and pick the 44th floor and go to spaces. And on this floor plan, I've already assigned a bunch of the departments to spaces on this floor. So you'll see what the result of this looks like, and then I'll show you how you can do it. So what we do is we'd run the space mapping, and we would use tariff groups, and these would then grab the defined tariff groups assigned to each space. So then if I look at the legend, you can see that it's got NIC departments, the ones that I defined under the tariff groups, and tallies that up, so you can then define how spaces are allocated, and it'll use tariff groups rather than departments. And here's the tariff group and space usage, and to change it, you just go into space details, click on it, and then choose one of the tariff groups that we had set up. And that's how you would colorize the plan. Okay, to start with a new floor, let's go ahead and look at another floor, and maybe we'll look at the 22nd floor, and we'll go to spaces. And so what I want to do is add in tariff groups for all these. So I'll just select all of the spaces and move to space details. Okay, so then I can look at departments. And so for instance, this is a good example because I might want to grab all these marketing departments that are different types of marketing groups and make all of marketing. So if I select one of those and grab all of them, I can then go into space details and modify within selection, and I'll change that tariff group to, let's say, MTV Department 3, and then it will change all of those that are listed in that group to the same color, or basically the same assignment. So it gives you complete flexibility of what you're going to name your different departments, which spaces you're going to assign to them, and then it'll show up in the legend. So once that's done, then you can go back to spaces, turn on the CAD integrator, and run the space tariff space mapping, and it should show you what you just highlighted. So there's the group, there's the rooms I just highlighted, and there's department level 3. So let me know what you guys think. If so, we'll roll it out in production.